When housing inventory is tight, it often means buyers will go out and buy their replacement home before selling their existing home. And this will all typically prompt the question, hey, Evan, once I sell my existing home, am I going to have to refinance to reduce the payments? So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about what a mortgage recast is. A mortgage recast is when a borrower makes a lump sum payment towards reducing the principal and gets their payments recalculated based on the remaining principal amount. The easiest way to look at it is through an example. Let's assume we have a $400,000 mortgage at a 6.5% fixed rate over a 30-year term. That creates payments of about $2,528. Now assume this borrower comes across $200,000 to pay down the principal. Maybe that's because they received an inheritance. Maybe they sold a home. By default, meaning without a recast, when that borrower makes a $200,000 payment towards the principal at the same interest rate and the same monthly payments, what will happen is their loan term will be reduced from 30 years down to about 8 years and 8 months, meaning the payments stay the same, but they'll pay the loan much faster. With the recast provision in place, the borrower can pay down that principal to $200,000 and keep the 30-year loan term. And instead of their payments being $2,528, they get the benefit of payments of around $1,264. Now, there's a few things to be aware of if you're considering a recast. Number one, a recast is not guaranteed. It's smart to ask your lender up front if you think that's something you're going to end up needing. There's typically a cost to perform a recast. It's anywhere from about $250 to $500, but that's much cheaper than refinancing. When a person recasts, they keep their mortgage rate, so their mortgage rate does not change. Most loan servicers will usually require the borrower make at least 6 payments before they'll approve a recast request. The borrower doesn't have to go through underwriting to have a recast approved, but they do have to meet certain criteria, including being current on their mortgage. The recast request goes to the loan servicer, the company that they're making payments to, and there'll be an application process. So you request it, they'll send you some paperwork in the mail, complete that, send it back, hold off on submitting the principal until you have your recast approved. That can typically take anywhere from about 30 to 60 days. If you have any questions about how a recast may benefit you, please contact us today. Thank you.